After I lost my hair for the first time, I never really realized how much hair care I'd have to relearn. And wearing wigs has enhanced my life, but it's also come with a lot of new stuff. Wigs can be really expensive, and I want them to last. The tools that I use on my wigs are important to me. With the Tangle Teezer, I'm never worried about the hair falling out or my wig getting messed up. It's gentle enough on my hair, but it still gets all of the knots out. It has all these little fine teeth that help reduce hair breakage. I'm not so stressed out about messing up my wig anymore. Not all hairbrushes are created equal, so you have to find the one that works for you. Alopecia is something that affects over 160 million people in this world, but it's still something that we don't always talk about. I have alopecia areata, and so I have some patches on my head. I choose to wear wigs, not because I feel like I have to, but because I want to. Having alopecia can be stressful, hard, and isolating. I like to share tips and things that I find that make my life a little bit easier. The Tangle Teezer has become a staple in my routine because it helps me make me feel like my best self.